Okay, we shall print this part. It is a scale model of a truck. Import in process slicer software. This is a slicing software. I have given some parameters and infill of 20% and select the supports on build plate only. So we need supports to build these parts, these portions. So we need a support to print this truck. Select support on build plate only and go for slice now. This is how our print looks like. So these are the supports. Let's see from the bottom how it will print layer by layer. This is how our model get completed. Let's hope for the best. And here we can see takes around 35 grams of material and 3 hours 11 minutes to print. Let us export the file and give it to the 3D printing.
It is a perfect print, successfully printed on our bed, and this is how the scale model looks like with all the supports. And this is the perfect print of the scale model, and it has been printed with the supports. To get the final product, we have to remove all the supports, detach all the supports from the print, and it should be done with very careful, or else the model may damage. You have to remove all the supports carefully to get the final product. Let's see after removing all the supports how it look. And here is the scale model, and this is the materials which I have removed, detached from the model, and these are the support materials. Now this is the absolute model, 3D print model, and this is how it looks like.